Take a look step by step at the second trend look for Spring-Summer 2014. This is Metallic Muse. Because this look includes using loose glitter on the eyelid, we begin by applying the eye makeup before foundation. Using the eyeshadow primer, gently prime the eye on the eyelid and underneath the bottom lashes. Then, taking Ebony from the black cream liner range, apply it all over the mobile lid. Ensure at the end of the lash line you have a sharp, angular line created by the cream liner. Using the black from the Natural Variety palette, press in all over the cream liner to create a real density. Now, using a clean brush, blend the edges of the shadow into the socket line. Have your model look up and place the cream liner underneath the lash line to create a real definition. Again, blend through so there is a softness to the line. Then, press in the black eyeshadow from the Natural Variety palette. Using gold from the contour pencils, place all in the waterline of the eye. Eyeshadow primer is used for a second time as an adhesive for the glitter. Using polyester glimmer in black in large particles, press all over the mobile lid into the eyeshadow primer. Now for the base. We start by using the HD Micro Primer. Ultra Foundation is then used for the base. Using the Ultra Foundation, we contour the entire face, underneath the cheekbone, down the sides of the nose and on the temples. Blend all this through with the smoothing brush. Micro Finish powder is now used to set the base. Using the combination of Dermacolor and Makeup Blend, we clean up underneath the eyes in a slightly lighter colour than the foundation base to give a real brightness. F3 lashes are now applied to complete the eye makeup. Using Shimmer Event Foundation in bronze, buff into the cheeks to give a real high glossy shine. TV Brown is now used to accentuate the contour on the cheekbone. Now for the lips. After moisturising, lip stain in Latin is applied for a gorgeous matte finish. For an intense shine, gold from the Shimmering Vision palette is then placed on the top of the cheekbone. Using medium from the Eyebrow Powder palette, accentuate a nice sharp eyebrow. Gold leaf is then applied through the hairline to frame the face. Here, our artist has used Special Adhesive B to adhere the gold leaf to the skin. The look Metallic Muse evokes the intensity and warmth of a summer night, sophistication and strength mingled with an elegant military touch.